In this video, I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step guide on how to fix Tinder Shadowban problem. So if you're currently facing problem with Shadowban on Tinder and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So basically what you're going to do firstly is to actually close your Tinder app. So you need to close your Tinder app and instead we're going to open up our settings app. So go into your settings app and in here we're just going to scroll down and then click on general. And then you should be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So what you're going to do on this page is to just simply scroll down until you can see where it says storage. For me, it says iPhone storage in here, as you can see. So I'm just going to click right here. It might take a couple of seconds to load as well, just so you know. So now we're just going to scroll down in here and find Tinder. So I'm just going to find Tinder in here. So just a second. Perfectly, as you can see, I have Tinder right here. And then I'm going to click on upload app. Once again, click on upload app in here, as you can see. And by the way, this might also take a couple of seconds. Then I'm going to click on the blue button here again to be able to actually get back the Tinder app on my phone. Basically, what will happen when you do all of this step by step is that you will now have the latest update from Tinder. So the previous update will now be gone. You have automatically updated to the newest update from today, basically, or from right now, and that will fix a lot of bugs that were currently in the previous version. It will also fix your shadow ban problem if you currently are facing the shadow ban basically on your account. What you can also do if it still is not working after you have actually done this step by step is that you can always delete your account and then just create a new account on Tinder. It's going to be a fresh account and that fresh account can't be shadow banned, just so you know. So that is basically exactly how to fix this problem.